Okay, so this week I first started out by just going over the syllabus, reading a bunch of stuff like this, um, just going over that, figuring out what I needed, what I didn't need, just figuring out how the class worked. Um, just did that, just the syllabus quiz, stuff like that. Just went over the schedule, just try to get a good feeling for what the class would be like. Um, Spent a lot of time over here figuring out what I need to do for each grade, stuff like that. Um, that's pretty much all I did with syllabus. Read pretty much the whole thing. Like I said, took the quiz, did all that, made sure I got a good grasp of the schedule. Just know what I need to do each week. Um, I don't like being someone who doesn't really know what's going on. So yeah, I did that. Came over here to Blackboard, went over all this stuff. Read the chapter that we needed to read. Went over here, lab coordinates, all this stuff over here. Read this chapter. Read the first two. Did the problems. I got a notebook and went over the things. Drew out some of the lab stuff for the graphs, and as you can see, I'm absolutely terrible at doing the three-dimensional thing. It actually says that on the thing. I wrote a little thing right there. I can see the z-axis kind of in my head, but as far as drawing it, I cannot do that at all. But I mean, I get a grasp of how to see it, and I can see it on a graph and stuff like that. But yeah, didn't go over very well. So then another thing I did, I went to the discussion board. Don't know what that's doing. Anyway, went to the discussion board, did all these things with the crap. What is it? With the question like, what is reality? What is physics? I responded to all those. Went in there, got some stuff for my team together. One of the guys actually in my group ended up having to drop the class, so that was cool. So only have 3 at this point, but we're still getting it done. Just did all that. Like I said, took the syllabus test, typed up my 2 things. Have that typed up. I'm about to put that on right now. Got all that done, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I got on 4 or 5 times this week and spent a good like 3 or 4 hours. Not 3 or 4 hours each time. I spent a good probably an hour or 2 each time this week trying to make sure I got a good thing. So I spent 3 or 4 times getting on, spent an hour and a half or so, give or take, depending on the time. Each time making sure I got everything done. The VPython things, I think that comes up. This is next week what we're going over. That was, I want to do that, get that set up. But yeah, other than that, just tried to get myself familiar with the website. Went through the discussion board. Yeah, just did that. So, I mean, it is what it is. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah, I mean that's all we have assigned so far. The one thing about the questions, the 3 questions in the discussion board about like what is physics, what is reality. That what is reality question has been haunting me like all week. Been like, what is reality? I feel like I gave a crappy answer in the things. I mean, it's just like it's hard to think about, but it was cool. It was a good thing, just a question. So anyway, that is pretty much it. Yeah. So did all that. Looking forward to getting everything done next week. Hopefully get this thing figured out, kind of get in the flow of things. It's a little rough this week getting everything done with just trying to familiarize myself with everything going on. Like I was looking at how other people did stuff, just to kind of get an idea of what's going on. So yeah, hopefully this is a good job. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much what I did this week.